I bet you didn't know how powerful a growth mindset can be. Imagine your brain as a muscle. You can train it to become stronger, just like any other muscle in your body. This is the heart of a growth mindset, a belief system that can transform your life. It's the belief that you can improve your abilities through effort, learning, and persistence. This mindset is a key to success in all areas of life, from personal relationships to professional achievements. People with a growth mindset embrace challenges, seeing them as opportunities rather than obstacles. They see setbacks as opportunities to learn and grow rather than as failures. They are not afraid to try new things and make mistakes, understanding that mistakes are part of the learning process. This mindset leads to greater achievement and fulfillment as it encourages continuous improvement. A growth mindset is essential for personal and professional growth, enabling you to reach your full potential. It allows individuals to adapt to new situations and challenges with confidence and resilience. It helps them overcome obstacles and achieve their goals, no matter how difficult they may seem. It's a powerful tool for lifelong learning and development, fostering a love for continual self-improvement. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to Health Nuggets HQ for more insights on personal growth and development. To understand the growth mindset, we must contrast it with its opposite, the fixed mindset. Individuals with a fixed mindset believe that their intelligence and talents are predetermined. They avoid challenges that might expose their weaknesses. On the other hand, those with a growth mindset believe in their ability to learn and grow. They see challenges as opportunities for development. They view effort as a path to mastery. This difference in belief systems leads to contrasting behaviors and outcomes. While a fixed mindset fosters fear of failure, a growth mindset encourages a love of learning. This distinction is crucial for understanding how our mindset shapes our potential. How can you tell if someone has a growth mindset? Look for these characteristics. They embrace challenges with enthusiasm. They see effort as the key to success. They persist in the face of setbacks. They learn from criticism. Individuals with a growth mindset are not afraid to step outside their comfort zones. They are curious and eager to learn new things. They view mistakes as opportunities for growth and improvement. They are also open to feedback and willing to learn from others. They don't see criticism as a personal attack. Instead, they use it as a chance to improve their skills and knowledge. Section 4. The power of growth, reaping the benefits. The benefits of adopting a growth mindset are numerous and far-reaching, impacting various aspects of both personal and professional life. It leads to increased resilience, allowing individuals to recover from difficulties with greater ease. People with this mindset bounce back from setbacks more quickly, viewing them as temporary hurdles rather than permanent failures. They view challenges as opportunities for growth and learning, rather than threats to their success. This mindset also fosters a love of learning, encouraging continuous self-improvement and curiosity. It encourages individuals to seek out new challenges and expand their knowledge base, pushing their boundaries. This can lead to greater creativity, innovation, and problem-solving skills, as people are more willing to experiment and take risks. Moreover, a growth mindset promotes a positive self-image, helping individuals to see themselves in a more favorable light. When individuals believe in their ability to learn and grow, they develop a sense of confidence and self-efficacy, which is crucial for personal development. This can lead to greater happiness and fulfillment in life, as people feel more capable and content with their progress and achievements. Section 5. Cultivating growth tips and techniques. Developing a growth mindset is a journey, not a destination. It requires conscious effort and practice. Here are some strategies to cultivate this empowering mindset. Challenge your negative self-talk. Replace thoughts like "I can't do this" with "I can learn to do this." Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. Don't shy away from difficult tasks. View them as chances to learn and develop new skills. Set learning goals instead of performance goals. Focus on mastering new skills rather than just achieving a specific outcome. Celebrate your progress and effort along the way. Section 6. Role models. They did it, so can you. This chapter is all about finding inspiration from those who have walked the path before us. Many successful individuals embody the growth mindset, which is the belief that abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work. Take, for instance, the renowned basketball player Michael Jordan, who is often celebrated for his incredible talent and achievements. He faced numerous setbacks throughout his career but never gave up on his dream. His journey was filled with challenges, yet he persevered. He viewed every failure as an opportunity to learn and improve, turning each setback into a stepping stone for future success. Oprah Winfrey, a media mogul, is another inspiring example of resilience and determination. She overcame a challenging childhood and numerous obstacles to achieve phenomenal success. Her story is a testament to the power of perseverance. Her belief in her ability to grow and learn propelled her forward, allowing her to break barriers and set new standards in the media industry. These individuals, despite their extraordinary achievements, view themselves as works in progress, always striving for self-improvement. They are constantly seeking new challenges and opportunities to learn and grow, never settling for complacency. Their stories serve as powerful reminders that a growth mindset can lead to remarkable accomplishments. By embracing this mindset, you too can achieve great things. Section 7. The Journey of Growth, a never-ending adventure. The beauty of the growth mindset is that it's a journey of continual learning and improvement. It's not about being perfect. It's about embracing the process of growth and development. Remember, your mindset is a powerful tool. It can either limit your potential or unlock endless possibilities. By choosing to cultivate a growth mindset, you embark on a path of continuous learning, resilience, and fulfillment. So embrace challenges, learn from your mistakes, and never stop believing in your ability to grow. The world is full of opportunities for those who dare to embrace the power of a growth mindset.